Hello friends, welcome back to Adrika Bhadauria's channel Extra Coding. So friends, from today we will learn Tkinter in Python. So what's Tkinter and how to make a window using Tkinter? We will cover these two topics in today's video. So what's Tkinter? Tkinter is a framework which provides Python users with GUI, means graphical user interface widgets. It provides us with menus, labels, entry boxes, buttons, check buttons, radio buttons, and many more other widgets. So, how to make a window using Tkinter? So, to make a window using Tkinter, we write here from Tkinter import star. So, I've written here import star. So, what does import star do? It imports all the functions presented in a module. So if we write here from Tkinter import star, it will import all the functions from the Tkinter module. So now we will make a variable here. Let's suppose window is equals to tk. So it will make a window, and now we will write here window dot main loop. Okay, so what will main loop do? Main loop allows Python to run the event loop, and it listens to events such as button click, key press, etc. And it blocks the part of code that is written after it. It will not show it to us on the Tkinter window. So let's run it. See, here's our Tkinter window, and to make a label or entry box or any other widget, we will code between these two lines. And if we write something after this line, for example, if we make a label after this line, so we will not be able to see it in this window. And let's suppose we don't write this line, window.mainLoop. So see, we are not able to see our window. Why? Because we haven't written this window.mainLoop line. It's necessary. Okay. So I hope friends that you understood this video, and I will be there with my new video soon. Thank you for being with me till the end. Bye.